We've all heard that building a positive learning environment is the foundation for all learning, but we sometimes take this for granted and lose this emphasis as the year progresses. We begin stressing about teaching content standards, testing, classroom management, grading, and so many other responsibilities and tasks that get added to our busy plate. Then we wonder why some students might be struggling academically, behaviorally, or in developing SEL skills. Hopefully this section can help us reappraise the impact that a positive learning environment can have on learning and inspire you to continue building and growing relationships throughout the year and not just during your first month of teaching. So what is a positive learning environment? A positive learning environment is one in which students feel a sense of belonging, trust others, and feel encouraged to tackle challenges, take risks, and ask questions. All SEL learning thrives in these conditions. The three elements of a positive learning environment are trusting teacher-student relationships, a supportive learning community, and cognitively engaging instruction. These all reinforce each other. Let's explore these further. The foundation of any positive learning environment is trusting teacher-student relationships. Notice the key word is trust. Trust is paramount to creating psychological safety, the conditions that allow students to be authentic and to take the risks necessary for learning. The power of teacher-student relationships has been extensively studied and is essential in improving student achievement, which includes GPA and test scores, attendance, behavior, as reported by a decline in classroom disruptions, suspensions, detention, or referrals, school culture, SEL skill mastery, graduation rates, intrinsic motivation, and mental health, especially for students with trauma and disadvantaged backgrounds. Strong positive relationships have also a strong impact on teachers themselves, which include improved mental health, teaching quality, resilience, less stress, more fulfillment in the profession, and an improvement in their own SEL skills, to name a few. The second element in a positive learning environment is a supportive learning community consisting of positive peer-to-peer interactions, routines, expectations, policies, and environmental supports that support learning, risk-taking, a strong sense of community, and a healthy emotional well-being. The third element is a cognitively engaging learning environment where learning is fun, valuable, urgent, equitable, challenging, student-driven, distraction-free, and mastery-based. This proves to students that they are actually learning and developing their potential in your classroom. This creates a deep investment and trust in the teacher's leadership because it is evident that if we follow the teacher's guidance, we will learn and succeed. This not only produces more intrinsic motivation and ownership of their academics and behavior, but helps create a sense of community and the desire to help others learn and follow the teacher's expectations. All these three support each other. If you trust your teacher and know that he or she cares about you, then you'll want to contribute to the learning community and support others, and you'll be more engaged in the learning process. Notice how everything begins with trusting teacher-student relationships.